At the Com-Lab, we also have the OptiPro UFF300. This is a sub-aperture contact polishing machine. It uses a rubberized guide wheel that has an abrasive belt that follows the contour of the optic that's being polished. The user interface is pretty easy to use, very conversational in nature, so it gives us the ability to very efficiently polish spheres, aspheres, freeforms, cylinders, acylinders, toroids, lots of different optical surfaces that have very complex and also simple geometries. Can polish rotation symmetric optics, non-rotation symmetric optics. It can polish most any material, even materials that are coming from a single point diamond turning process, or glass coming from a contour grinding or a ring grinding operation like an asphere or a freeform, where you need to bring that ground surface to a specular finish and make it polished. With the 5 axes of control, we have our X, Y, and Z, plus a B axis, which is for the head rotation, and then C axis, which can be timed along with the other axes of motion. That way the tool can stay normal contact to the surface while it's being polished and keep that surface shape and polish. We're able to bring in data from a piezo interferometer. We can also bring in single point line scan data from a contact or non-contact profilometer. And we also can bring in data from a non-contact or contact CMM, much like the LUFO scan or the UltraSurf. With the incoming data, we're able to take and create a corrected toolpath to make the optical surface more refined, and that gives us a more precise finish on our optics, and we're able to hold very tight tolerances not only for thickness but also for form and figure.